Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Financial services company Western Union is set to pilot a stablecoin-based settlement system to modernise its remittance operations for its more than 150 million customers. Western Union processes around 70 million transfers each quarter. Visa reported a rise in fourth quarter adjusted profit, as strong consumer spending helped the global payments processing company's card transaction volumes. More people swiped their cards for day-to-day expenses in the July-September quarter, keeping overall consumer spending steady. Oil prices slipped, marking a third straight day of declines as investors considered the impact of US sanctions against Russia's two biggest oil companies on global supply, along with a potential OPEC Plus plan to raise output.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.